Hey everyone. So today I ran into a really common problem that happens when exporting models from Blender into Anycubic Photon Workshop. After exporting my model and opening it up inside Photon Workshop, I noticed something strange. Instead of looking smooth and clean, the model looked very blocky with sharp edges and visible polygons. If you've seen this before, don't worry, you're not alone. It usually happens because the model was exported with low polygon detail from Blender. Let me show you exactly how to fix this. First, jump back into Blender and open your model. If your model is made of multiple separate parts, select everything and press Ctrl+J to join them together into one object. That way you're working with a single model. Next, right-click on the model and select Shade Smooth. Instantly, you'll notice the surfaces look softer and cleaner. But we're not done yet, because sometimes shade smooth alone isn't enough. Now, look over to the right-hand side panel and open up the Modifiers tab. From there, add a Subdivision Surface modifier. This is where the real magic happens. What this does is add more geometry to your model, which smooths out all those blocky low poly areas. You'll notice the model becomes much smoother instantly. I usually keep both the viewport and render levels set to 2 or 3. That's enough to give you nice smooth curves without making the file size too heavy. If you go too high, the file can get unnecessarily large and harder to handle, so 2 or 3 is the sweet spot. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export again. Go to File and Export and STL. Now this part is really important. Under the Geometry section, make sure to check Apply Modifiers. If you forget this step, the smoothing won't actually carry over into your exported model and you'll still see those blocky polygons later. Now head back into Anycubic Photon Workshop, import your model again, scale it to the size you want, and this time you'll notice it looks smooth and polished. No more blocky edges, no visible polygon details. Just a clean high poly version that's ready to slice and print. And that's it. A super simple fix, but it makes a massive difference to how your prints come out. So if you've been frustrated by blocky looking models, now you know exactly what to do. If this helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.